Hello दोस्तों, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing good. So today we are going to discuss 6 reasons why I hate the Yezdi Scrambler. I hope you have watched the video where I've discussed why I love the Yezdi Scrambler. And if you're new to the channel, my name is Amoghhh. Welcome to our channel AmgK. This channel is all about motorcycles and travel. So if you're interested in those topics, be sure to subscribe to the channel right now. So the first point is quality issues. The bike is just 1.5 years old, but you can already see here there is rust, paint is chipping off from the engine, and there is fitment issues also, like exposed wires. Point, pillion seat, it is comfortable but it is very small, and जिसको पीछे पकड़ने की आदत है या फिर वो ग्रैब रेल पे रहने की थोड़ा बहुत आदत है, they'll find this seat very scary. Third point is tube tires. And tube tires is not the major problem. It doesn't have a main stand. Now the main stand is not given by the company. I don't know accessories है तो या नहीं है. I'll confirm in the comments. But that is थोड़ा बहुत risky. So the fourth point is its mode settings. It has 3 modes: rain, off-road and road. If you put it in rain mode or off-road mode, once you turn off the bike, it automatically goes in default mode, which is road mode. The fifth point is this instrument cluster. यहाँ पे 2 प्रॉब्लम्स है. वन, ड्यूरिंग ब्राइट डे लाइट यू कैन नॉट सी, ये जो नीचे यहाँ पे इंफॉर्मेशन है ये दिखते नहीं है बिल्कुल वाइल राइडिंग. सिर्फ स्पीडोमीटर कभी कभी दिख जाता है, एंड दैट्स अ प्रॉब्लम. एंड द सेकंड थिंग इज, आई डोंट नो इफ यू कैन नोटिस, देयर इज दिस वाइट थिंग लाइक पाउडर जैसे अंदर, दैट इज इनसाइड द इंस्ट्रूमेंट क्लस्टर. बेसिकली ये जो प्लास्टिक नीचे का अंदर का वो एक दूसरे के रब होके ऐसा पाउडर निकलता है. सो दैट इज one fifth point. Riders taller than 6 foot might find this motorcycle a bit uncomfortable. So those were the 6 reasons why I hate or dislike the Yezdi Scrambler. Let me know if you can relate to the Yezdi Scrambler, those points, if you are an owner of the same. And yeah, those are not some reasons to not buy this motorcycle. Go ahead and try it out yourself, test ride it, and I've done a video where I've told you 8 reasons why I love the Yezdi Scrambler. So be sure to watch that. Also watch my comprehensive review and overview of the motorcycle. I'll link both those videos in the comment section below, and they'll be appearing on the screen right now. So thank you so much for watching. Peace out.